Hey guys, in this quick video, I'm going to share with you important things about the Maven trading and what are the things that you need to know. So how funding works, this is the start. You pay for a challenge. You pass their profit targets while respecting rules, and once funded you trade simulated capital and you keep 80% of the profits. So here you see, for example, you're gonna have the, let's say, account size 10k, and then you're gonna have the account type if you want to have like instant, or you want to go with the standard, and then you can also choose the platform to trade on. So here, for example, you see that you have like platforms available. You're gonna have CTrader, MatchTrader, and also MetaTrader 5. And payment methods, you're gonna have credit, debit card, crypto, and Cray. And the payout methods, crypto and bank transfer. So you can also trade the forex, metals, indices, commodities, and crypto. Now for the payout system, so withdrawals are available every 10 business days. Profit split 80%, and you need to have the consistent rule. And so the instant programs, like if you're gonna be here for the instant program, you need to have like 3% profit to withdraw. Now, when we're gonna go further, so account sizes from 2k up to 100k, you're gonna have the 1-step, 2-step, and 3-step challenge. And then, so you're gonna have, for example, here for the profit target, trailing like drawdown, daily drawdown 3%, 4%, 2%, and then you're gonna have also the minimum profit spread, like everywhere is like 80%, and minimum trading day is like 0. For the 2-step, you're gonna have 10, and like 3, and then you're gonna have trading day 0 here. So then this is also a unique program here for the mini, where you're gonna have the minimum withdrawal 3%, daily drawdown 2%, and this is something that you can also like check out if you want to. So what is not allowed and what is like like forbidden, this is also important. Excessive scalping. So let's say 50% trades have less than 1 minute. Martingale, all-in trades, no stop loss, high risk passing attempts, profits from restricted news events, copy trading, AI trading advisors, also trading for multiple IP addresses, and then account rolling and single day profit over 50% of total profits. So that's something that you need to know if you want to start with it. But this is something that I want to share with you, like really depends, like 10k here, and you can have like refundable on the third withdrawal. So you can actually check it out if you want to use it. I mean, Maven is all right. And yeah, have a great day and goodbye.